What's up fam, it's Tina from Hangry by Nature. Now if you've been watching our videos for a while, this is not the usual type of content we do, but since we are all in lockdown, we thought we would follow some online trends and make things a little bit fun for everyone and the kids. So today we are making Dalgona coffee with no coffee, so the kids can drink it too. We are making Dalgona chocolate and other various flavors. So without further ado, we're gonna get into it, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's make some Dalgona chocolate. All right guys, now it's time to make a Nutella Dalgona. You ready for it? Let's do it. Nutella's my favorite, so I can't wait for this. So very importantly guys, you have to actually whip the cream first. So in a couple of our earlier trials, we kind of chucked in the cream, the Nutella, sugar, everything together and tried to whip it up, and it didn't really whip properly and it got really curdy and basically looked expired. So that's not the look we're going for. So this is different to obviously Dalgona coffee, where it whips up in the instant coffee makes it whip up. In chocolate, in the chocolate one, you've got to use thickened cream. So we're gonna whip it up first. You ready for it?
Yeah.
All right, so 1/4 of a cup thickened cream, or if you're in America, it's called heavy whipping cream. Heavy cream. All right, so 1/4 of a cup here, Flo. Hold that straight.
Oh.
Ooh, all right, pour it in. So you can either whisk up the cream, or you can, if you're lazy like us and don't have any muscle strength like me whatsoever, use the electric whisk, which is what we're gonna do. And whisk her up. There we go. Look, it's getting thicker. And we did it.
Oh, I want to eat it. I want to eat it.
You want to have a try?
Yeah.
Right.
I want to try it.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, use your finger. How is it?
I like the cream.
So this is the consistency that it kind of needs to be at. You don't want to overdo it too much, but this right here, this is perfect. And I'm going to re-emphasize it. It's very important that you whip the cream first before you put anything else in. Don't make our mistake. Now we're getting to the really good part. We're going to add in the Nutella. All right, Flo, you did the honors. Oh, that is too big of a teaspoon. We're going to use a small teaspoon. So we're going to do 1 teaspoon of Nutella.
Now let's mix.
After the Nutella's in, we're going to do 1 teaspoon or 1/2 a tablespoon of sugar. So make sure it's kind of fine sugar. We're using brown sugar, but you can use white sugar as well. And that is about 1 teaspoon.
Oh, that's a lot.
And last but not least, we're gonna add in a few drops of vanilla extract, which I've got right here.
I can't do this one.
You can't? All right, how about you hold the spoon
Oh, yeah.
for me? Oh, it's like dripping down the back way. Okay. That was about maybe 1/3 of a teaspoon. And now we're kind of just gonna fold it all together slowly and mix it. But don't mix it too much, because if you over mix it, it gets a little curdy and grainy, which is not what we're looking for.
It's turning, Mom.
It is. Look, it's turning like a chocolatey cream color.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. That tastes alright. Grab a little from here. That good, huh?
It's so good.
It's so good.
You
Alright,
both-
so it's pretty much almost completely mixed. So, we're going to grab some ice. Flo, do you want to put the ice in the cup? A bit more, a bit more. A bit more. We are going to get our milk. The creamier the milk, the better. We're gonna fill it about 3/4 of the way up. We are gonna get to the good bit and add the Dalgona Nutella. And ta-da! Here we have our Dalgona coffee, but instead with chocolate Nutella made for kids.
Mixy, mixy, mix. Mixy, mixy, mix.
At that. This looks like the best iced chocolate you're ever gonna have.
Next up, we're going.
Holy moly. Wow, that cream and the milk, oh my god, it's so good. Sorry, Chloe. Oh, it's so good. How many thumbs up do you give it?
I know.
2 thumbs up. That's how good it is. Should we get Daddy to try it behind the camera?
I figured.
Wow, that's so creamy.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
How good
This
is
was a
it?
really good mix.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That tastes very good, Mom. But
The bomb.
I like it,
The
with, I like it with the
bomb. So
ice on
good.
it. I like it with the ice on it,
Yeah.
Mom.
Want some more, Flo?
Like with
Yeah.
the ice on it.
Yeah.
Man, we smashed this real quick. It's really good. Did you like that, Flo?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really good. So stick around, guys, because we're gonna show you real quick how to make a few other different flavors with Milo, peanut butter, and Oreos. And then at the end, we're gonna do a taste test, and Flo's gonna judge which one he likes the most. So far, I have to say, we're off to a good start. Yeah, so now comes the best part. We get to taste test all of these beautiful flavors. So we've got Milo, we've got peanut butter, we've got Nutella, and we've got Oreo. So we're gonna start, we'll go from left to right. So Milo.
Good? Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, my turn.
Very creamy.
Good.
Good? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right. Peanut butter.
Thanks, Mom.
Can you taste the peanut butter? That was just a little nod, acknowledgement, like.
Tastes good?
I like it.
And
Too
we have
sweet.
2 weeks left.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Tell her, guys. All right, Flo, you may do the honors of starting this one. Yeah, you like that one? Oh, 2 thumbs up. All right, Rappy.
Does it taste?
Is it good? Yeah. Yeah.
Now we're tasting Oreos. My favorite one in the whole world. That's
I
my
like
favorite.
it. That was good. I think Nutella's my favorite so far, but. So the Oreos, buddy.
I have it. Okay.
Yeah, I drink it. Go.
Taste it. Oreos.
Sorry, guys, Rappy.
That's good?
Oh, that's rich. All right, guys. Now comes judgment. We have Milo, we have peanut butter, we have Nutella, and we have Oreo Dalgona coffee with no coffee. So, what do you guys think? Which one is your favorite?
That
I
one.
haven't asked the question yet.
That one.
What about you, Flo?
I like all of them.
You like which one's your favorite? Which one's your absolute? Which one do you think tasted the best?
I like all of them, I think.
All of them,
Yeah.
but you didn't like the peanut butter that much.
I like 3 of them.
Okay, but if you could only choose one out of the 3, which one would you choose? Only one. Only pick one.
Oreos.
There we go, guys. Oreo Dalgona coffee with no coffee is the clear winner here. Now my personal favorite, I've got to say the Nutella, simply because when you whip it up with the cream, it becomes really fluffy and just blends better with the milk, as opposed to the Oreo. Still tastes amazing, but it's just like a little thick. So I think consistency wise, and obviously I love Nutella, I'm gonna vote Nutella. But now it's Andy's turn, who's behind the camera. He still needs to give us a verdict. So Andy, come on over.
Which one do you like?
Actually, I like the Oreo. It is a little bit thick. I could use a little bit less Oreo biscuits in the mix. But I don't know, I really like it because of the cold cookies and cream sort of taste that you get with it.
So that's 3 out of 4 for Oreos.
Oreo, yeah.
Oreo is the winner. Ding, ding,
Whoa.
ding.
Alright guys, well we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit like and hit the subscribe and the notification bell to follow our Smart Family Guides. So, we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Guys, say bye.
Bye!
Bye.
And over here, Mom.
Oh, sorry.